Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday we completed our words lesson. Which lesson did we complete yesterday? We completed words, how words are made. Some students they have done their homework in such a beautiful way. So neatly they had written how to first question, second question, how to make words from letters. They have taken letters. They have written those letters in alphabetical order in first question. Then there was an diagram in yesterday's period I took. Correct or not? In that diagram, what was that? It was a hexagon, I think so. Yes, it was a hexagon, and in that letters were there, and from those letters we made some words. Some students have completed their work very properly and neatly. Some of them they have not completed. Please complete your work in time. And today we are going to study lesson. Let's learn alphabet. We have studied about alphabet. Now already revision of this lesson is over. I can say like that. Okay. Already this lesson we have studied in English grammar. First lesson was our alphabet, the alphabet. Second lesson was the alphabetical order. Third lesson was of words. And this lesson is totally related with those three lessons. Now I would like to repeat again. In alphabet, how many letters are there? There are 26 letters. With the help of those 26 letters, what we make? We make words. Correct? Those alphabets are arranged, those letters are arranged in alphabetical order. Now from that, today we are going to study about small letters and capital letters. Now you have studied small letters and capital letters in nursery, in LKG class, in UKG class. Now again we are going to repeat it. If you are not able to write down it properly, that we are going to learn how to write A, how to write B, C. Some of them they write in wrong way. The way you write should be correct. If you write in correct way, A to Z, all letters, then it will help you to improve your handwriting. So today we are going to study small letters and capital letters. Okay. Now here are some, you can see there are some charts now. The small cards are made. Now those cards, if our regular school would be there, then we would have made such type of cards in the class. But now it is not possible. So even if cards I will prepare, then there are no students are not there to hold those cards. Correct? I would have given A card in one child's hand, then B in one's hand, C, D, correct? E, F, G, like that till Z. But now it is not possible, so I will just explain you small letters and capital letters. Okay. Now first one is small letters. Small letters. Now in small letters, how do we write how do we write letters? For example, I will draw 4 lines. Now you have 4 lines in your notebook. Correct? Now I want to start with letter A. In alphabetical order, which letter will come first? A letter will come first. Which letter will come first? So I will start with A. Now in 4 lines, A, small a you have to write down in this way. Correct? Is it correct? Yes. Now B. When you will write small b or small letter B, you have to touch your line from here. You have to start writing from here, and then there is a place in between. You have to complete, or you have to touch both sides. Okay, you have to touch second line also, and you have to touch third line also. To write what? To write B. Next one is C. Now C will come as it is. How A is drawn, how we have written A, in same way C will come in middle 2 lines. C. Can you see? Yes. Next one is B. Now how B was written, in same way we have to write down D. Correct? After D will come E. same like C, we are going to draw, or we are going to write E. A, B, C, D, E. Next one is F. After that is now G. G should touch this line, okay, downside. F, G, H. After that is I. After I is J. Correct? J. Then K. Now small k should not go outside of these two lines, okay? Second and third line. You have to write in between only, okay? J, K. Then L, M. After that we are going to write down N. After M, N. Next is O. Now how we will write P? P we are going to write down like G. Okay, so P will touch fourth line down. Sorry, in four lines, P should touch fourth line. Okay. Next one is Q, R, S, T, U, V. After V is which letter? W, X, Y, and Z. Now just see, when we have written letters from A to Z, how it looks. There are some letters which are touching first line. There are some letters which are touching fourth line. And there are some letters which are not touching anywhere, correct? They are just in middle two lines. Can you see? They are just in middle two lines. Now which letters are touching up? B is touching up. D, H, K, L, and T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are touching first line, upside, okay? G, J, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are touching fourth line, downside. And remaining letters are not touching anywhere. They are just written in middle two lines. A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, and Z. They are just written in middle two lines, second and third line. Now what you understand after writing this? There are some letters. Now you will immediately say that, ma'am, 6 letters are touching first upside and 5 letters are touching downside. So small letters or small ABCD, you can say, those letters are not same in height. The height of